In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on your 2010 to 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander. So go ahead, open up the passenger side door, open up the glove box. Now on the side of the glove box there, you see that small arm, pull it out and out it comes. Now let's just push it in and get it out of the way. Now what we have to do is we have to get the glove box out. We have to completely remove it. So just press it on the side and it comes right out. See how easy that was? That's it. And now there's two hooks over there and they sort of act like hinges. We just have to lift the glove box and get it out of there. Done. Now we have plenty of space to easily access the cabin air filter over there. So there's two clips on the side. We just have to undo the one clip. So just pull it out lightly. It'll come right out. Just pull it out like the way I'm doing over here. Get one clip off. The cover is now loose and we can easily just get it out completely. Just like that. That's good. Now that's the cabin air filter right there. Grab the filter, pull it out. Now the top side, that's the unfiltered side. That's where all the outside air comes in from. So that's where you can see all the dirt and debris and particulates over there. And the bottom side is the clean side. It even says it on the side over there. The airflow directions from top to bottom. So the outside air comes in from there, gets filtered, and right there, see that little motor I'm spinning? That's a blower motor. That's the fan that pushes the air inside the car. So get the new filter, make sure it's positioned the way I'm showing over here, top to bottom, right? And it's rectangular in shape, so make sure it's positioned correctly. Like it only goes in one way. Get the new filter and just slide it in there, all the way in. Now let's get the cover in, position it like this, and just simply push one side, it's clipped. Push the second side, that's clipped, and that is good. It's not going anywhere now. Put the glove box in its position. Now all we have to do is we just have to push it. So there's two tabs over there, they get pushed in and they're flexible. So just push them in like that and it's in position now. As you can see, that's good, and the other side, that's good as well. It's not going anywhere now, and that's good. Let's now put the suspension arm back in its place. Just simply pull it, put it there, and that's good. Now let's try opening and closing the glove box, and that looks good.